Surgical Recovery Suites, LLC is a company that helps surgeons around the world build an outpatient joint replacement model. And what we do at Surgical Recovery Suites, LLC is everything from licensing and contracting with payers. We even help develop a bundle rate model, I think, which is really important in reimbursement and payment. We'll help build or create a tenant improvement to build an awesome 6, 7, 8 rooms for your patients to stay in. We'll license that facility prior to doing so, and certainly assist in getting the right license to have such a great facility. Finally, we'll get down to the financial case manager, who will be responsible for collecting monies from patients and managing a billing and collections model. We're even going to get into sales and marketing. Perhaps my favorite part of this model is creating a brand in your community that makes you or your surgeons the outpatient joint replacement surgeon in that community. Finally, we're going to help with AAAHC Certification and make it a real center. We'll even help with financing if you need some. So this is what we do at Surgical Recovery Suites, LLC to help bring outpatient joint replacement to you and your community.